Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Find the extreme values of f of xy, that is equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. How to find the extreme values of the given function f of xy? Today we discuss problems on maxima and minima of function of two variables. What friends? Maxima and minima of function of two variables. Let us see the problem. Find the extreme values of f of xy, that is equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. Clearly here friends, x and y are not equal to 0 friends. Here x and y not equal to 0. Now what he says, find the extreme value. Extreme value means maximum or minimum of this function. Now see here friends, 2016. So that means it is very important problem friends, I guess this year. Okay, right. Let us see the solution. Solution. Okay, given f of xy, that is equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y, a cube by y. So for finding maximum minimum values, first I want to find dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, r value, s value and t value friends. Let us find. Okay, dou f by dou x, that is equal to dou by dou x of f. What is f? xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y, that is equal to, we get here derivative of x is 1, so y is constant, so we get here y. Okay, derivative of 1 by x, we know d by dx of 1 by x, what is friends? Minus 1 by x square. So here we get here derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x, so we get here minus a cube by x square, and derivative of y is with respect to x is constant, because with respect to x y is treated as constant. Okay, and then dou f by dou y, that is equal to dou by dou y of xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y, that is equal to, with respect to y we know x is constant. Okay na, with respect to y x is constant. Okay, dou by dou of is 1, so that we get here x. Okay, here we have x is constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Okay, now here also same, dou by dou y of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square, so we get here minus a cube by y square, a cube by y square. Now I want to find r value friends, r value, dou square f by dou x square, so that is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, sorry, dou f by dou x. So that is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is minus y minus a cube by x square, that is equal to with respect to x y is constant, so the value is 0. Okay, and then d by dx of x power minus 2 friends, it is minus 2 x power minus 3. So we get here minus 2. Okay, minus and minus plus 2, we have here a cube by x power minus 3. I want to take this into denominator, so we get here x cube. So finally r value is 2a cube by x cube. Okay, and then s value dou square f by dou x dou y, that is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, that is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. What is dou f by dou y value? x minus a cube by y square, x minus a cube by y square, that is equal to derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is 0 friend, because with respect to x y is constant, right. T dou square f by dou y square, that is equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, that is equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou y value here we have here. So, x minus a cube by y square, okay, that is equal to, with respect to y, x is constant, so the value is 0. Here we get here minus 2 by y cube friends, I already find here, okay, we already find here minus 2, here we have x, now there y, so minus 2 by y cube. So, minus into minus plus, so 2a cube by y cube, okay, minus 2a cube by y cube, right. Now, condition for getting maximum or minimum. What are the conditions? Conditions: dou f by dou x, that is equal to 0, comma dou f by dou y, that is equal to 0. Now, what is dou f by dou x value? Dou f by y minus a cube by x square, y minus a cube by x square, that is equal to 0. Okay, here we get here y, that is equal to a cube by x square. So, it can be written as x square into y, that is equal to a cube. Okay. Now, dou f by dou y is equal to 0, dou f by dou y, x minus a cube by y square, x minus a cube by y square, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now, I want to write it as x, that is equal to a cube by y square. Okay. What is x value here? A cube by y square. I substitute this value here friends, here. Then I get here a cube by y square whole square into y, that is equal to a cube. Okay. That implies here I can written as a power 6 by y power 4 into y, that is equal to a cube. Okay. 3 in 6 we get 3 here, and 1 in 4 3 times. Finally, we get here a cube by y cube, that is equal to 1. Okay. So, I can write it as y cube, that is equal to a cube. That implies here we get y is equal to a friends. Okay, y is equal to a. Now, this I want to substitute y is equal to a here friends, y is equal to a here. So, x is equal to a cube by a square, x, that is equal to a cube by a square. That implies we get here also x is equal to a. So, stationary point what is stationary point here friends? A comma a. What is stationary point? A comma a. So, r yet a comma a. First you find r value at a comma a friends. What is r value? 2a cube by x cube. X value is a, so a cube by a cube. So, cancel, we get here r value is 2 friends. So, we get here 2 a cube by x value is a, so a cube cancel, we get 2. S value friends, what is S value? S value is 1. T value is 2a cube by y cube. Y cube also, y is equal also a, so get here same a cube by a cube, we get value is 2. So, we check the condition of RT minus S square. So, that is equal to RT 4 minus s square means 1. So, we get here 3. R value is greater than 0. R value is greater than 0. RT minus s square value is RT minus s square value is greater than 0. R value also greater than 0, friends. This is also positive. This one also positive. So, f of xy has, come on, tell me, f of xy has 2 positives, friends. F of xy has minimum value. F of xy has minimum value, and minimum value is a minimum value f of a comma a. F of a comma a. So, what is the f of x here? Xy, a cube by x, a cube by y. So, xy. So, a into a square plus a cube by x. X means a plus a cube by y means a. So, 2 times. So, 3a square. Okay. What is maximum value here? Sorry, minimum value. Minimum value is 3a square, friends. Minimum value is 3a square. This is about the problem, friends. Once again, I revised. He given the problem here, f of xy, that is equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y square. Clearly here x and y are not equal to 0, friends. Plus, please remember. మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిందంటే డివైడ్ బై ఎక్స్ ఉంది y ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకే, he given here. First I find here dou by dou x, dou by dou y are s t values. Okay, by simple differentiation we get the values, friends. Okay, for getting the condition maximum minimum values, put dou by dou x is equal to 0 and dou by dou y is equal to 0. Okay, by substitution this x value here, okay, you have to do carefully here, friends. మీరు ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్త చేయాలండి. ఓకేనా, మీరు ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్త చేయాలి. సో ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను. ఐ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ and then we get here y is equal to a, and I substitute y value in our relation, we get x is equal to a. I get the stationary point here a. I substitute the stationary point in r s t, then we get the values and I check the condition rt minus s square. The value is positive. Rt minus s square value is positive, r value is also positive. So, 2 positives, then f of x has minimum value, and I substitute this point in the given function, we get minimum value. So, the minimum value is 3a square. If you have any doubt in the problem, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.